Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token and why you need 1 billion Tectonic token coins. Because with 1 billion Tectonic token coins, you are going to make a lot of money. But remember, there isn't 1 billion as a base. That simply means you can invest whatever you can afford to lose. So even if you have 100 million, 1 million, 10 million, whatever you can afford to lose. Now, at the time of recording this, you need about $207 in order to buy 1 billion coins of Tonic. Now, the Tectonic token, remember recently this year have started increasing so massively. Like last year, we also Tectonic token market cap was actually trading between 14 million, and the market cap have almost hit $27 million this year, starting this year, getting over 10 or 11 million dollars. Now, Tectonic token, if Tectonic token deletes 10, because at the time of recording this coin is currently trading with about 6 zeros. Now, so many experts believe that Tectonic token is going to delete between 1 to 3 zeros. Now, for me, if I'm said Tectonic token deleting 3 zeros, I think that will be from now to for the end of 2025. Now, Tectonic token deleting 10 simply means you'll be making about $2,070. $2,070. That's about almost $1,850 profit. Okay, that is a lot of profit. That is deleting just 10. Okay, so this is amazing. To having a coin investing about $207 and Tectonic token rising, deleting just 10, and you're making $1,800 profit. Now, deleting 2 zeros, because that's where so many people actually waiting for Tectonic. A lot of people want to see Tectonic token deleting at least 2 zeros out of the 6 zeros. Now, deleting 2 zeros, Tectonic token will be making about $20,700. That is with an investment of $207, you'll be getting about 1 billion coins. Your 1 billion coins will be worth about $20,700. You can see that is a lot of money. That's almost $20,500 or $20,480 profit, deleting just 2 zeros. And this coin already deleted 1 zero. Now, I believe that if I can buy a coin like this and before the end of 2023 or 2024, then you are making about $20,480 profit. I think that is a good investment. That is a huge profit for me, if you ask me. Now, imagine this coin hitting about 100,000% increase in price. That means deleting 3 zeros, deleting 50%, half of its current zeros. It have about 6 zeros. That simply means that Tectonic token will be making about $205,000. Wow. That is going to be one of the biggest profits. Imagine investing $207 and this coin giving you over $204,800 profit, deleting 3 zeros. That is a huge profit. That is a huge profit. But I still believe, yes, this coin can delete 3 zeros. And one important thing you need to understand is that Tectonic token is being hosted by Crypto.com, and these guys, they are one of the top crypto exchanges. So we cannot say that Tectonic token is not one of the best. Of course, Tectonic token are one of the best for me. Now, I believe that Tectonic token can delete 1 zero this year, but deleting 3 zeros is going to take a very long period of time. Deleting 3 zeros, I believe, yes, it's possible, but Tectonic token still need a lot. Tectonic token need to start burning massively, and also Tectonic token needs top exchanges to start working, to start partnering, start listing this coin. Now, imagine that you're buying a coin worth of $207 and you are making over $20,000 if it deletes just 2 zeros, and over 200 if it deletes just 3 zeros, and $2,000 if it deletes just 1 zero. That is amazing. Now, I'm hoping for that this year Tectonic token will work harder in the area of getting more partners. For now, we just have 3 exchanges at where you can buy Tectonic token, and the one that are functioning mostly now is VVS Finance and Crypto.com. So if you can get other exchanges coming in, it's going to be amazing. Imagine getting 5 or 10 exchanges listing this coin this year. Believe me, This is going to be amazing. Tectonic token is going to gain a lot, and I hope that this year is also going to be one of the best years for cryptocurrency in general. Now, please remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Okay, thanks for watching.